Toyota is proud to present the new Yaris Cross. A design without compromise. Robust and minimalistic are the key words. That means the compactness and agility of an urban car, and the robustness of an SUV. Just as spacious as it is practical. Out shopping, tap with your foot and the trunk opens. Ski trip, get it all in with the seat folding system. Taking the bikes, that'll fit nicely. Using our latest 4th generation hybrid technology for an exceptional fuel efficiency with CO2 emissions starting from 90 grams per kilometre and exceptionally smooth performance with total output of 116 horsepower, as well as intelligent all-wheel drive for when the going gets tough. A higher driving position, a raised body and increased ground clearance, yet still perfectly compact for urban driving. You were impressed by the new Yaris. Now it's earned its SUV credentials. It's perfect for the weekday commute and perfect for weekend adventures. Designed for Europe and built in Europe, this is the new Yaris Cross. All urban, all SUV.